Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Hey y'all, it's Simply Nikki back with another video. Y'all, your girl is on the way to a haunted house, okay? Is my camera dirty? I don't know. But your girl is on her way to the haunted house, okay? I'm terrified and I'm scared, y'all. I put on all black on purpose because I'm like, maybe I wear all black, they can't see your girl. But this is me before the haunted house. And then I'm going to let y'all see me after the haunted house, okay, y'all? Stay tuned. Your girl is on her way, like I said. Yes, your girl is terrified. I do like scary movies, but I like scary movies to a certain extent. Like, I don't like spirits and all that type of stuff. So, as long as we keep it to a minimum, you're going to be okay. All right, y'all. Bye for now. This is me after the haunted house. Yes, I ran. Your girl was very afraid, okay? Y'all, woo, help me. I'm probably going to pin. Do it say where I went on here? Y'all, it was definitely scary, okay? I got chased by two chainsaw saw massacres. I got chased by two chainsaw saw massacres. I got chased by two chainsaw saw massacres. Oh my goodness, what was that? I got chased by two chainsaw massacre guys. Oh, it was very scary. My baby daddy was zero help. Y'all, why are you looking at me like that for? You wasn't. You didn't help me. Y'all, I had to run and leave him. I got so scared. Y'all, I got so scared. I got so scared. I left him. Oh, help me. Y'all, that was no joke, okay? I'm like, oh, it's probably not going to be scary. It was very scary, okay? Would I do it again? Yes. I don't know. Y'all, I'll get back to y'all on that, all right? Y'all, Wingstop is lit tonight. It's about to go down. Y'all comment down below your favorite Wingstop chicken of choice. Are you a wing person or are you a tender person? Are you a regular fried Cajun fry or a cheese fry person? And you know you always got to get the corns. Every time you go, you got to get the corns. Y'all, it's about to go down. After that haunted house, y'all, I'm so hungry. It's like I done screamed and ran, my belly blank, empty. Y'all, I'm so hungry. It's about to go down. My baby daddy got his food over here. Let me show y'all his food. He got wings. He got garlic palm wings. Y'all, I am a tender girly, and he got regular fries. So, y'all, it is about to go down. Bye for now. All right, y'all. I'm going to do a quick taste test of everything. Going in with the fries first. And going in with the fries again. These fries are too good. Are your fries good? Yum. That's really good. You gotta get the ranch. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you need to know. And then we're on with a tender. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what tender I want first. I think I'm gonna go with this right here one first. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Big dunk. Big dunk. Y'all see that? In 3, 2, 1. Y'all, it is so messy. Y'all hear that crunch? Oh my gosh. Okay. Cheese fries, I give a, like, 8 out of 10. Only thing I'm missing is pepper. Which, I mean, it's not their fault, but 8 out of 10. Chicken. Yum chicken tin, so good. 10 out of 10. But see, I only like flats. So if I get the option of getting bone out chicken, that's what I'm gonna get. Yeah, this is good. Thank you, Michael Jackson. He's back there spinning around. Thank you.
Yeah.
Do you think I missed that?
Yeah.
And y'all, my baby daddy back there spinning circles. Like yeah, he's spinning around and moonwalk. Like he was Michael Jackson. His food must be bomb. Okay. You got that man doing dance moves I never seen him do before. Okay, y'all, I'm trying the corn next. And it's been so long since I had Wingstop. But I noticed that the first time I messed up because I got wings. And I was like, nah, I'm never going to do that again. I got tenders this time, y'all. I'm getting tenders every time. All right, y'all, corn. That corn is good, a little sweet. But it's good. That corn is bomb. I think I prefer it in the ranch. I'm making a mess. Wow. Only me. Y'all, this one don't make no sense. But when you're eating good, stuff like this happen. Excuse me. Y'all, I'm gonna get him put out. All right, y'all. I'm about to get up off it. Because I cannot be burping like this up in this mad place. Y'all, I'm gonna get him put out. I'm already trying to whisper because it's what time is it?
It's probably one.
It's like 1 o'clock in the morning, or almost 1 o'clock. So I'm already trying to whisper, y'all. I can't be burping out up in here. All right, y'all. Also, on the menu today, that bomb Canada Dry ginger ale blackberry. This is a staple in my home, and this should be a staple in yours too. Oh, it's gonna hit every time. Excuse me. I have a piece of corn stuck in my teeth.
Do you want one of those things?
I got it out.
No, okay. Come outside. I got these. I got the ones that you like.
I like the other ones. I don't like them.
I got those in the bathroom.
Them wooded ones. Excuse me. I think I'm gonna eat one more tender, and then that's gonna be it. Y'all, I went to a haunted house today. Excuse me. scared me almost to death. Okay? Y'all, when I tell y'all, I think that was actually the first haunted house I ever been to. I've only been to like Six Flags, Fright Fest, I think it's called. But I was in a little Halloween events they be having. Six Flags, I've been there before.
Yeah.
But I was younger, y'all, at the time. Have you been in them before?
Nah, I don't know.
Was this your first haunted house?
This is my second one.
Oh. You been to another one before?
Yeah, definitely one.
Oh, was it scary like this one?
Nah, this one was better.
Okay. What do you rate it?
I rate this at like
Out of 10. 1 to 10.
I would rate it at 8.
Okay. Y'all, for me, on a scale of 1 to 10, I rate it a 10. Definitely a 10. I was scared, y'all. And when I tell y'all I was scared, I mean it. Y'all, I screamed the whole way. The whole way through, I screamed. And it was so dark, y'all, so... Y'all, I don't talk... Look here. It was just scary. Y'all got that? Very, 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 very scary. I would definitely go back again. But I don't think I can do one that's scarier than this one. This one I'm gonna took a girl out. I ain't lying. And I tell y'all that I ran up out of here. And my baby daddy can vouch for me. I ran up out of there. Y'all, he was behind me, okay? And the first thing I told him, because when we was in line and we were coming down, we could hear chainsaws, okay? And I was like, I don't like no chainsaws. Because I don't want to accidentally get cut up. And what I was telling him, so I was like, I think I'll be okay with everything else, like the people popping out or whatever else, but I definitely don't want to run into nobody with no chainsaws, right? Why at the very end, y'all? At the very end, they didn't even have like a lot of scares, okay? So when we first came through, it was scaring us. But then after a while, it was nobody. So I was like, okay, I think we good. Y'all, when I got to the end, and I'm getting chased by 2 people with chainsaws. 2. I had to run. I had no choice. Y'all, I took off. I turned around. I didn't even see my baby daddy. So the first thing I said was, what am I going to do? Because he got the key. How am I supposed to get home? But it is what it is. Y'all could not wait. I had to leave him. All right, y'all. Excuse me. That is it for your girl. Bye for now.
And I hope it rains.